Hello, we are super proud to show you Rocksmith, an AI-powered accessibility and QA testing platform. After you have registered and logged into your account, start by downloading the desktop app. This is how the desktop app looks like. To start a new test, click on this button. Over here, you will configure your test parameters before starting a new test. The test title and test description are for your reference. Next, select the scan configuration. The QA agent system will automatically scan for any URLs within the scope to test. So if you have any URL you would like to exclude, key them in over here. In this section, you select the test modules that you want to run the test for. Let's select these modules. We also have the option to allow for custom instructions for the AI agent, as well as the option to allow for headless or headful mode. Let's see the AI agent in action. Once you're done, click on Start Test. Over here, you can monitor the real-time progress of the agent. You will see the AI agent manipulating the browser in real time. Within the app, you can also see the real-time progress of what the AI agent is doing. Okay, the test has finally completed. Let's check out the report generated. Over here, you can click on the test to view more details. Over here, you can see the summary of your test run. How many issues are there? What URLs are covered. The AI agent also generates a summary of the test run. The main goal of Rocksmith is to generate actionable insights so that you can perform the triage on the issues easily. Let's take a look at this issue. Over here, there's a description, context, element selector of the issue, as well as a suggested fix. There's also a screenshot for you to refer to so that you know what the agent is talking about. Feel free to download the screenshot. The test details page also go through a list of audits done on the elements of the page. So now there's an option to generate report on this test run. Let's take a look. Okay, the report is now ready for download. Let's download the report and take a look. Open up the index.html file and you will see your report there. Over here, you will see the same statistics that you have seen within the desktop app. The same issues, except this file is portable and you can share it with anyone that needs to trash the issues. That's all for today.